Nom 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 nom. Grease Pencil has always had one major flaw, and that is the lack of booleans and a better eraser tool. But what if I told you you can get these features to work with the help of a free add-on called NijiGPen? It has a lot of awesome features, but in this tutorial I'll be only focusing on the boolean and eraser part. First, go and download the add-on. The link is in the description. Open Preferences, Add-ons and install it here. Note that some features require you to install extra Python packages. You can do it here by pressing this install button. You need PyClipper to get the booleans working, so install at least that. Open the 2D animation preset. You should have a new menu at the end panel called NijiGPen. Let's say you have this shape that is filled and you want to draw shapes that you can use as booleans to the original shape. I recommend using another material so you can see the difference clearly. The material can be a stroke or a fill. Draw the new shape and under polygon operators, press this plus icon to union the shapes, minus to subtract the shape, or X to intersect the shape. If you have drawn multiple shapes, you can still use these operators. They work in the order you have drawn them. In edit mode, you can also select specific shapes and boolean them as you wish. There's also this fracture selected button, which separates overlapping shapes into individual shapes, which is very cool. I recommend adding these operators to quick favorites that you can access with the Q shortcut, or assign a shortcut for them for faster workflow. Next, I'll show how to improve the eraser tool. You can find the new tool in draw mode, under this 2D bucket symbol, called Boolean Eraser. You can change the radius here or with F shortcut. Here you can change the caps type. Default is rounded. There's also flat, taper, and lasso. You can also select Append instead of Erase, and the tool will union the new strokes to the old one. So good! But there's also another way to erase. Duplicate this pen asset and rename it to Eraser. You can also change the asset logo if you're feeling wild. Go to Stroke menu and enable this outline option. You don't need to assign a material here. Just adjust the thickness a little bit so you can see it. Now, when you have a stroke material selected and stroke mode on, draw and it turns the stroke automatically into an outline shape that you can use to do booleans. But you can also do many other things, like turn on stroke randomizations to get more wonky shapes faster. The reason we created a new brush for this is because outline and stroke settings are brush specific. It gets annoying if you have to turn everything on and off again. If you want to create holes in the middle of your drawings, you can do so in edit mode using booleans, or with the native feature I showed in my other new tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.